Hi guys, it's just me today. What's that? What is this? Okay. Oh, I feel so weak right now. This is just messed up my video. So all I wanted to say is my brother's starting a new YouTube channel, and yeah.
So Brenda, you know that looks a little suspicious when I come in the room and then you jump back.
Yeah,
What's this?
Just a little.
I hit my arm.
Okay. So when did you go first? Wednesday the 20-something.
Okay. Anyways, so my brother's starting a new YouTube channel, and yeah, it's called Eli's Exercise. It's so lame. You shouldn't have seen me flip out. Like, I had to do handstands with things like this. Oh my god. You would not want to follow Eli's steps. Please. He's sending them onto his own channel. And seriously, he is worse than mine. Like, I'm not trying to be mean here. He's terrible. Anyways, bye, dudes. Bye.